Hey there, welcome again to my channel. My name is Ricardo Costa and in this video we're gonna create a double exposure effect in Photoshop. With your image already open, which will be the deer image, you can now open the landscape image. And now let's select all, copy and paste above our animal image. Like this. Now let's double click on our landscape layer here on the right, and let's rename it to snow landscape. And with that layer selected, let's apply screen from the blend modes drop down. Now you can lower the opacity to about 75% and add a layer mask by clicking here add layer mask icon at the bottom of layers palette. Now let's select the brush tool and adjust brush size and hardness from the top palette. Set the foreground or background to default black and white, and now start painting with black on the layer mask to hide parts on your animal layer, or paint with white to reveal more detail. Make sure the white thumbnail on the landscape layer is selected when you paint. Add an adjustment layer by clicking add a new fill or adjustment layer icon at the bottom of layers palette and then choose gradient. Now here you can select a gradient color combo or create a custom one if you want. So, and then hit OK. Choose overlay blend mode for your gradient and load the opacity to about 80%. And that's it. Now you know how to make a double exposure and you can now explore these tools. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know your feedback in the comments below. Thank you and see you next time for more Photoshop tutorials.